Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how can we create a notification bar or alert bar on our WordPress website. So how can we do this? So just go to your plugins and then from here just click on add new plugin. So after that you need to search for floating bar. So I will show you the plugin that we need to install and activate. So here is the floating bar plugin. So I will show you the floating bar plugin. So here is the floating notification bar plugin. So you need to install and activate this. So this plugin is basically used for floating notification bar, sticky menu and scroll advancement banner. So you can use it for these as well. So I will install and activate this plugin. So it will redirect us to the setting. So I will show you the, yeah, you can see it will redirect us into the settings page. So already we have the notification bar here. So I will just click on save and new dashboard. So then I will just visit my website. Let me exit this and let me visit my website. So now here you can see, so let me show you the notification bar is not appearing here. So what is the reason? So I will just go back again here. So here on this section, I will just click on edit here and I will just scroll down here. So now you can see this option, bar appearance after button click. So don't show the bar again for the user. So I will choose the option show the bar again when the user visit the website next time. So I will click on save view dashboard. So I will just refresh my website again and I will scroll down. So here you can see get 30% off. So we have a beautiful notification or alert bar. So how can we change the design of this? So I have the extension in my browser. So the extension name is Colorzilla. So I will just pick this color here and I will copy this color and then I will go back to my notification settings. So here I will click on edit and here I want to change the notification color, so bar color. So here I will change it. So let me show you how can you change it. So here it is. So it's looking quite this. So let me keep it a little bit like, yeah, let me make it like this. So it's looking quite good. So if you want to change the height, so you have to buy the pro version. So if you want to show the bottom position, so you can do it. So it's also a pro version. So if you want to change the bar text color, so here you can see I have changed the bar text color. So if you want to change the font size, so you can do it. If you want to change the font, so you can do it as well. So you can change the text color as well. So if you want to change the button color, so you can do that as well. So then over effect, so I want to make it fill on over effect. So now you can see style, I will choose the style too. So it's looking it's filling on the left side. So now you can see it. So after that, just go to the display rules. So you can change the entry effect sliding. So trigger option, so it's totally up to you. And then click on save view dashboard. So here it is. So let me refresh my site. So now let me show you. So here you can see get 30% off for your first purchase. So here it is. So if you want to change the exit color, so you can do that as well here. So let me show you the exit color. So here you can see show on X button. So let me make it white. And here let me show you again, and you can see here it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.